Welcome to our channel, friends. Now we are delving into the comprehensive guide on mastering Google digital marketing. In this digital age, understanding and leveraging the tools provided by Google is key to achieving your business goals. I am leading business coach from India. I am looking forward to help you to accelerate your business growth. Please contact me. And also subscribe our channel for more and more informative videos. Now let's get started on Google digital marketing. Welcome to our channel, friends. Now we are delving into the comprehensive guide on mastering Google digital marketing. In this digital age, understanding and leveraging the tools.
1. Understanding the importance of mobile marketing in today's digital world. The proliferation of mobile technology has fundamentally shifted marketing strategies. Today, businesses can reach their customers directly through their smartphones, creating personalized marketing experiences. Mobile marketing has become vital in today's digital world due to its immediacy, personalization, and accessibility. 2. Mobile marketing, a key to reach today's consumer. Mobile marketing is a powerful tool to reach today's constantly connected consumers. People are using their mobile devices to connect, shop, work, and entertain themselves. Therefore, businesses need to leverage mobile marketing to meet their customers where they already are on their smartphones. 3. How to craft an effective mobile marketing strategy? Creating an effective mobile marketing strategy involves understanding your audience, defining clear goals, choosing the right mobile marketing techniques, and tracking your results. Your strategy should be flexible, allowing for adjustments and optimizations as you go along. 4. Types of mobile marketing techniques and their benefits. There are several types of mobile marketing techniques, each with its own benefits. These include SMS marketing, mobile apps, QR codes, and mobile search ads. These techniques enable businesses to reach their audience in a personalized and direct manner, boosting engagement and conversions. 5. The role of SMS in mobile marketing, an underrated tool. SMS, or text messaging, is an underrated tool in mobile marketing. It's a direct, personal, and effective way to reach customers with timely information and offers. Businesses can leverage SMS to send reminders, confirmations, and promotional messages, helping to keep their brand top of mind for their customers. 6. Optimizing your website for mobile, a crucial aspect of mobile marketing. Mobile optimization ensures that visitors who access your website from mobile devices have an experience optimized for their device. This involves designing your site so it's easy to navigate with a touchscreen, loads quickly, and displays properly on smaller screens. 7. Mobile apps and mobile marketing, a dynamic duo. Mobile apps can play a crucial role in mobile marketing. They offer opportunities for regular interaction, personalized content, and can even function without internet connectivity. Apps also allow for push notifications, a powerful tool for engaging customers and encouraging them to take action. 8. The power of location-based mobile marketing. Location-based mobile marketing strategies, like geofencing and beacon technology, enable businesses to provide personalized, context-aware offers and information to their customers. This creates a more relevant and engaging customer experience, leading to higher conversion rates. 9. Mobile search ads, a major player in mobile marketing. Mobile search ads are key to a comprehensive mobile marketing strategy. They capture consumers' attention at the moment of intent when they're searching for something. These ads can be highly targeted, and with proper optimization, they can significantly boost visibility and conversions. 10. Aging success in mobile marketing. Key metrics to track. To evaluate the effectiveness of your mobile marketing strategies, it's crucial to track key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and bounce rates, among others. By monitoring these metrics, you can gain insights into user behavior and refine your strategies for better results. 11. The future of mobile marketing. Trends to watch out for. The mobile marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Future trends to watch out for include 5G technology, augmented and virtual reality, AI and machine learning, voice search, mobile commerce, and privacy-first marketing. Staying ahead of these trends can help your business remain competitive and relevant in the digital marketplace. Remember, the world is increasingly mobile, and understanding this is the first step towards success. As we've explored today, mobile marketing offers an array of techniques to reach and engage your audience effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you in the next video.